Good morning, everyone. Today, Mr. Shifu is gonna tell us about some information about lung cancer.
How are you? Today I'd like to introduce about lung cancer. Lung cancer is kind of popular cancer problem. Yeah, many people know people smoke cigarettes might have great chances to get lung cancer. This is very true. But even I know many lung cancer patients, they never smoke, they still get a lung cancer. That is because the chronic lung problem, like pneumonia, bronchitis, or tuberculosis, they didn't well treated for long. They might still have turned to become lung cancer. So lung cancer, I would say the most reason is become cold. Become cold, a person generate flames. The flames generate heat, fever, and for long they become a lung cancer problem. Usually lung cancer problem, some have the syndrome like heart syndrome, because very cold turn to become hot. So they have dark urine. Okay, they have pain. That pain from their lung front shoot back to their back shoulder. Feel pain. Even have a big lumps on the shoulder blades. A lot of time, people don't have fever, but they have a very strong smell. You sit with him, maybe just within 3 feet, you can smell the very strong smell. Yeah, this smell seems like putrefied meat, or from your sink, that kind of smell. So separately, according the IMMORTAL Cancer system provides two formulas. The first formula have a dark urine and have a pain shoot back to the shoulder. I would recommend is called Huang Qi Shan. This is the formula called Huang Qi Shan. For persons no smell but have pain shoot back to the back of the body. Huang Qi Shan. Another formula person have very bad smell. I would recommend this formula is called Ji Gen San for the patient. Yeah, Ji Gen San for the patient. Since IMMORTAL Cancer system, the formula is very effective. Within 3 days to 7 days, the patient feel much better, much relieved. And I have one patient, they treated 4 months, then got a hospital check. All their cancer cell, cancer lumps become smaller and seems not active anymore. Lung cancer problem also combined with other problem too. The patient may have edema, start from the foot, then gradually come up to the waist. So edema, we need to treat edema. I would suggest use acupuncture technique. Treat this is best way. Or we can use Shifu Shan. This is ginseng and alkaline. Make a decoction for patients.
Edema. Shifu, you talk about edema. What is it?
Oh yeah, edema Also, it can cause water swelling. It's in cases you put one finger press on that swelling area, either on the leg or your waist, it become like a sunken hole. That place didn't quickly bounce back. That's edema problem. Also, a person could have water deposited in the body. One patient, he goes through many treatment from Western doctor. It said she carried 5 bags water in the lung. But the traditional technique, Western technique, cannot treat them. They only take off 1 bag of water. A lot of 4 bags cannot do. Then this time, I would suggest you can use Chinese herbs like yuan hua, gan shui. But be careful, use very, very small amount because they are poison. But just one day, all the 4 bag water released from body, from the urine.
Okay, you mentioned couple of herbs. Can you please let us know how they spell?
Sure. These 2 herbs spell like this. Gan shui and yuan hua. Make sure use very like a 1/2 or maybe 1 gram. Use 1 gram each one. Put maybe 2 cup tea, and cook for 30 minutes. Okay, thank you. Lung cancer, I just mentioned about combined problem, syndrome. I mentioned about edema problem. Also, a person can have vomiting problem. They eat anything, as soon as finished, they throw up and vomiting. So this problem need to be treated. Also, they can have a diarrhea problem. They keep on diarrhea many times a day, and that will influence the patient's health. This also need to be treated. Personally, I would say this treatment is best use acupuncture. You can treat this problem. Treat for vomiting, throw up. Acupuncture point is leg 1. Leg 1 is this is our wrist, about 2 fingers below the wrist. That's called pericardium point 6, number 6, leg 1. And also treat with Jianli or Zhongwan. It's like 4 fingers above umbilicus, or 1 more finger plus is also okay. Zhongwan can stop for vomiting problem.
Shifu, you have been talking about acupuncture. Now, does acupressure works?
Yeah, acupressure it works. At the moment, no needle. You can use finger. Press same point acupuncture technique do. It still works.
Can you show how? For example, on the 2.
For example, I say press on leg 1. This is 2 finger. The press is between the 2 tendons. A very small part of your pinky. You make if this is for boosting, you do counter class this circle. If for drainage, you do a clockwise circle.
Thank you. Thank you, Shifu. So, acupressure is effective not as acupuncture, we understand, and you could do it by yourself in case you need it. It is, of course, better to refer to somebody that is an expert on this business, and acupuncture is the best way, right?
Yes, correct. Definitely you can do yourself. For example, a person have a toothache problem. Before in the waiting room, you're waiting for your dentist. Actually, you can use acupressure work on your this place. It's called Hegu. This is sound. Put the press here. Then you press down, you squeeze it. If you're sore and hurt, that's will help. A headache, have a toothache, it will help. Elevate the syndrome.
It must be the left hand or also the right hand?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, great to know. Okay, so you mentioned that some people can have diarrhea as part of the lung cancer. How do you advise to treat that?
Definitely. Lung cancer patients have a diarrhea problem. This is very popular. That's because their kidney and the spleen organ also be influenced, become very weak. So they cannot digest the food and will quickly just discharge. So treatment, I would recommend use acupuncture. We can treat with kidney point, that's urine bread 23, and spring point, that's urine bread 20, plus on Mingmen. Mingmen is on the second lumbar vertebra, the center point of the spine. Also, we can plus on Zhu San Li. Zhu San Li is 4 fingers just below your eye of the knee, the outside of the leg of the knee. Okay, you can treat it with Tai Chi. Tai Chi is also 3 fingers above inside the ankle. That's called Tai Chi. With this treatment, I think a patient will feel much better, and the diarrhea will gradually stop.
Shifu, what are the symptoms of cancer at its earlier stage?
Early stage, if you want to know whether the person already evolved to become a lung cancer, actually we can find one place. This is have a sunken area on the shoulder here. This is called Zhongfu. Then make one sound white. This one tune below this point, it's called Yunmen. You press up, the patient will feel very hurt. That's a lung cancer. You can detect that. I think the best way is try to breathe yourself and smell. Whether you have very strong and very bad smell, you should be careful. That now maybe a chronic disease then evolve to become lung cancer.
What else would be a symptoms of lung cancer?
Sure. Yeah, I forgot to mention. Lung cancer patients also have fever problems. They have remittent fever from time to time. We need to take care of this problem too. And this I would recommend a formula from IMMORTAL Cancer System. This formula is called Mi Chuan Shi Liu Wei Liu Qi Yun. Is this one? Actually, this is can be recommended for many kind of cancer problem. Since they have flu problem, they have allergy problem, sinus problem, fever problem. All can use it. It's a very good formula.
Thank you very much, Shifu. Now in our next video, we are gonna cover the large intestine cancer. That's probably the second largest cause of death. Thank you very much, Shifu.
Thank you very much, audience.
You can order this book in Amazon, or you can visit the website and order it from there. And all the information that Mr. Shifu has given us are in this book. Thank you.
Thank you very much.